Hello, viewers! I hope you've all been well. It's been a long time since we last interacted, but we are back with a bang! Today, we have prepared a very interesting video for you. On this platform, you've probably come across multiple What's in My Bag videos. We've prepared a special edition, What's in My Bag Trip Edition.
Yay!
So, without further ado, let's continue. Before venturing into the unknown, on a journey, here are a few things to keep in mind for a relaxing and enjoyable vacation. Number 1. Weather. First of all, consider the weather wherever you're going, whether it's national, international, or even to the cosmos. It's better to know what the weather will be like so you can pack appropriate clothing and shoes for your journey. Number 2. Pack light. Keep in mind the number of days you plan to spend on your trip. Instead of filling up your suitcase, unless you plan to stay there forever, pack light. This makes it easier to travel and carry your things, reducing the chances of being clumsy and forgetting items here and there. Number 3. First aid and medicine. Even if you are going for a picnic or a hike, it is always nice to have a first aid kit with you. It has to be nothing fancy. Few bandages, a solution to keep the wounds clean, a tablet for pain relief, or a headache or stomach ache won't take much space in your suitcase or car because heartbreaks and minor cuts can happen anywhere. Plus, don't forget any personal medications you may need. Number 4. Toiletries. Essential items to pack in your bag include A. Toothbrush and toothpaste, B. Body spray or deodorant because you don't want people to faint around you, C. An all-in-one shower gel for washing both your hair and body, D. A comb or hairbrush, as per your preference, E. A small soap or hand wash, F. A small water bottle for emergencies, G. Sanitary pads, for women, H. Basic skincare items, like sunblock and moisturizer, because no one wants to look like burnt toast or have skin resembling a cactus. If you're a makeup person, feel free to bring that too. Number 5. Snacks and water. Real money saver. Whether you're hiking or traveling by any mode of transportation, it's always handy to pack some snacks. The chances of finding a vendor on a mountain hike are quite rare, and vendors' shops at airports, bus stations, and rest areas can be expensive. But if you're a millionaire, or like to pretend you are, feel free to spend your fortunes. Also, keep a water bottle handy, as hydration is key to a healthy body and skin. Number 6. Hard cash. Millionaire or not, in this era of wireless transactions, do carry some cash with you. Not all places have ATM machines, and let's be honest, signal reception can be spotty at times. Don't forget to keep it in a safe place. You don't have to go to the lengths of hiding it in your shoes, but keep it somewhere secure in your bag. Number 7. Insect repellent sprays, jackknife, and umbrellas. Even if you are not venturing in the forests of Amazon, it's still good to carry some form of insect repellent because you don't want to go on a nice picnic and come back with a swollen body part because you accidentally stepped on a bee. Also keep a jackknife and umbrella handy. Number 8. Electronics and their chargers. Since we rely heavily on smartphones these days, for everything from making calls to finding locations, it's best to keep these gadgets charged and bring all their accessories. Number 9. Travel documents. For all sorts of travel, keep your identity documents handy. For international travel, don't forget your passport, tickets, boarding passes, etc. Number 10. Commando travel bag. Lastly, rather than a cute bag, invest in a good travel bag that is not only sturdy, but also features good security options. So that's pretty much what we keep in our bags while traveling. Let us know in the comments below if we've missed anything and what you pack in your bags while traveling. Also, if you'd like recommendations for travel bags or anything else on the list, drop a comment. You can also DM us and we'll send you a checklist of all the above items so you can simply check them off the next time you're planning to travel, ensuring you don't miss any essentials before embarking on your journey. Until then, bye amigos! I'll see you in my next video, either with another amazing destination or more travel tips.